already at week 25. It's hard to believe we have some of you back in the building. I hope you've enjoyed being back. I've enjoyed seeing your smiling faces. Some of them kind of sleepy-eyed in the mornings, but anyway, smiling faces overall. This week we have a unit test to start with. Monday's going to be a practice, and then you're going to have a video of me working out the problems. I did write on there, don't cheat yourself out of this practice. Make sure you try. The test is hard, I'll tell you up front. It's like a SchoolNet test. So make sure you work on these practice problems, and if you have questions, email me. And if I can't help you through email, we can do a Google Meet or something like that. And so then Tuesday's going to be your test. Then we're going to take a break from equations for a while and work on geometry. So we're going to be doing some angles, lots of different definitions with geometry and angles and all that kind of good stuff. And then on Friday we have another quiz. So we have 2 grades, a test and a quiz this week. So anyway, if you have questions, let me know. I reckon that's about it. Hope y'all have a great week.